Al Noble Wazir opens with a refreshing burst of mint zesty orange and bright bergamot, creating an invigorating and lively introduction. The addition of juniper adds a crisp, slightly woody undertone that enhances the freshness. As the scent develops, a rich and gourmand heart unfolds with the sweetness of chocolate caramel and pear balanced by the pottery elegance of iris and the fruity vibrancy of raspberry. The base is warm and sensual, blending the creamy depth of amber, vanilla and musk with the earthy richness of sandalwood, cedar and vetiver, providing a luxurious and long-lasting dry down. The composition is a sophisticated mix of freshness, sweetness and warmth, perfect for making a bold yet refined statement. Performance elements of Al Noble Wazir. Longevity. Excellent, lasting up to 8 to 12 hours with moderate to strong endurance depending on the fabric type and environmental conditions. The warm, rich base ensures the fragrance remains noticeable throughout the day. Sillage. Strong, leaving a noticeable trail that projects well without being overpowering. The combination of chocolate caramel and vanilla creates a rich and inviting aroma that lingers. Projection. Moderate to high, especially during the first few hours as the bright zesty top notes and sweet middle notes shine. Season. Best suited for cooler seasons like autumn and winter due to its warm and gourmand heart and base, but can also work well in spring evenings. Occasion. Ideal for both formal occasion and evening outings thanks to its luxurious and sophisticated scent profile. Its indulgent notes also make it appropriate for special events or when you want to leave a lasting impression. Type. Gourmand Oriental. Al Noble Wazir combines rich edible notes like chocolate caramel and pear with warm woody and oriental elements such as amber, sandalwood and vetiver. It creates a sweet, spicy and slightly fruity fragrance with a deep sensual base. Style. Luxurious, sophisticated and warm. The fragrance exudes a sense of refinement and elegance with its indulgent gourmand heart balanced by its warm and woody foundation. It's perfect for those who want to make a bold yet tasteful impression, suited for both formal settings and special evening occasion. Mood. Confident, indulgent and sophisticated with a hint of playful sweetness from the fruity and gourmand middle notes. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.